Hello students. Now we have discussed so many times about the how to make the chemical formula. Now today once again I am telling you some examples which are given in the NCERT and you have to learn this how to learn about the to make the chemical formula of the, for example, the first it is given hydrogen chloride. The first thing you have to write down the symbol of it. Hydrogen symbol it is 1 and the chloride it is also 1. So when they are having same valencies, when you do crisscross, we are not supposed to write 1 or 1 here, okay, because it is understood when no number is there, it is understood it is 1, so we can write directly as the HCl. Now second is the hydrogen sulfide. The formula of the hydrogen it is H, sulfide it is H. So you will represent their valencies, hydrogen valency 1, sulfide 2. So you will exchange the valencies, you will get the H2S. Okay. Now the next example we are taking formation of carbon tetrachloride. The symbol of the carbon it is C and the chlorine it is Cl. The valency of the carbon, if you see the atomic number it is 6, so configuration is 2, 4. Okay, so how many electron does it need to stable? 4. So its valency is plus 4 and the chloride it is minus 1, but here will not show the sign, only write the valency. So when you crisscross method you will get CCl4. This is carbon tetra here stands for 4. Okay, how many chlorine are there? 4. So we are writing carbon tetrachloride. Now next is the magnesium chloride. For magnesium chloride, first you write the symbol of the magnesium Mg and the chloride it is Cl. Okay, so below it when you write the valency it is plus 2 and it is minus 1, and when you change it you will get MgCl2. Okay, so this is the, now here one concept is given. For the magnesium chloride we write symbol of magnesium Mg first, followed by symbol of anion. Cation and anion already we have done. The element which have tendency to lose electron, okay, that is called as the cation, and the element which have tendency to gain electron, which gain the electron, that will be called as the anion. Okay, now in the magnesium chloride there are two ions. Okay, two ions we have considered, that is the cation and the anion. Here magnesium is the cation and the chlorine is the anion. Okay, now more examples if we are taking like the aluminum oxide. Now aluminum oxide it is symbol is Al, oxygen it is O. So we are writing here aluminum valency it is plus 3 and oxygen it is 2. So when you exchange the valency you will get Al2O3. Then calcium oxide, the symbol of the calcium it is Ca and the oxygen it is O. Calcium valency it is plus 2, oxygen it is minus 2. So when the same valencies are there they get cancelled off and only you have to write down the CaO. Okay, so this is the formula of the calcium oxide, CaO. Now some more examples if we take like the sodium nitrate. Now some of the symbol you might be confused, they are not the direct symbol. What you have to do there, you have to consider the like nitrate it is NO3, NaNO3. so the valency of the sodium it is plus 1, it is minus 1, so what you will get NaNO3. The formula of calcium hydroxide, the symbol it is Ca and OH, plus 2 and minus 1. So when you will exchanges you will get CaOH whole twice. Okay, now the next if you see formation formula of sodium carbonate, sodium Na and carbonate it is CO3. Okay, sodium valency plus 1. Now here also you have to take care that carbonate formula it is CO3, so valency of the CO3 it is considered as the minus 2. So on exchanging you will be getting Na2CO3. Now one important one we are considering here, the bracket one. Now it is ammonium sulfate. Okay, the formula of the ammonium it is NH4, sulfate it is SO4. So formula of the NH4, the valency it is plus 1, SO4 it is minus 2. When you will exchange it, NH4 it is plus 1, SO4 it is minus 2. When you are exchanging NH4, here it is 2. Now since this 2 it is represented by both N and H, so we will put the bracket here. You can see here NH4 a bracket is there. What this bracket represent means this 2 it is represented by both the element. If you are not putting the bracket, then it is only representing for the hydrogen. So you have to put the bracket and then you will write SO4. So NH4 whole twice SO4 is the formula of the ammonium sulfate.